Hey, I'm Andrew with Aluvision. We're here at InfoComm 2026. Here at InfoComm, we're highlighting the full Aluvision system. So Aluvision is a turnkey product that allows you to do scenic, LED, all turnkey in one system. So
how does it work?
So we have our frame system that's here. And so the frame system can go together. This can replace basically all of your wood scenic that you're using. Very easy to attach different parts and pieces together. We can go frame to corner and then frame to frame here as well.
Oh, it looks so awesome.
Just like that?
It looks like a serious Lego.
Yes, so essentially it's a great way to look at it. It's aluminum Lego building blocks. And so with this, we have the frames, we have lighting elements and accessories that are part of it, we have doors that are part of the system, and then all of that plays nice with our LEDs. So we have LEDs in pixel pitch of 1.5 and then 1.9. So everything in this space is an Aluvision product.
So is right there, this stuff is behind the screen?
Yep, so we can go behind here and take a look at everything. And so this shows basically how the whole thing goes together. You see the connection points here for the frames. We have the LEDs back here as well. And so frames just go into the back of LEDs as your return wall. We do have a couple sandbags that we're using for stability, obviously. We can do obviously rectangular frames, but then we have also trapezoidal frames that you'll see over there on the silver side. We do have a built-in speaker that can be part of the solution as well here.
Nice. It's just a flat speaker?
It's just a flat speaker, yeah. So it's Velcroed onto the frame. So in theory, you would actually have fabric that would cover the back of this display as well. So you wouldn't see any of the hardware, but obviously at InfoComm, we want to show how the hardware and tiles and everything go together.
And how do those LED tiles connect to your system?
Yeah, very easy. So this is a connection here that's just a M6 bolt. So this just bolts in and threads into the channel of the tile itself. And then obviously your that tile connection is right here. So you just push up on that, that would release there. We have wire management clips here to thread the power and datacon through. And then
So,
yeah.
Is this your company, where is it based?
So we North America in Atlanta, and then for the rest of the world out of Belgium.
And are you very big in the industry already? Like many people know about this, or is it a new system?
So like where we really thrive is on temporary structures, not permanent installs, because as you can see, the system is so easy to put together and to take apart. And so we're pretty well developed into those markets that use the temporary structures, but always room to grow.
Can you show me, like, how would you disconnect this one, for example?
Yep, so we have a couple different connection points here. So if I wanted to take this whole frame off, just like that.
Oops, that's it.
That's it. So then additionally, we're actually using a little bit of a special frame right here. So I can buy this in sticks, and I can create custom size frames because I can just cut this and use this into different size sticks with these quick friction connections here.
Wow. So a lot of events and stuff is kind of temporary, right?
Correct, yep.
So it's great for like festivals.
Yeah, festivals, trade show displays, any type of like temporary structure. So during the global pandemic, we did temporary testing offices, meeting rooms, things of that nature.
Temporary command centers.
To temporary command centers too. Hopefully we don't need those.
Okay. And here you have the smaller ones. It just fits with the bigger ones.
Yeah, and the frames can come in basically any type of size that you want.
And here in the corner, you kind of show.
Yep. So the LEDs can do basically a perfect corner like this that allows you to have the corners on the cabinet or the corner here, where you have a quick 90 degree without any additional hardware showing.
And here's another
example of that there on the
counter. And here on top.
And then
so are you compatible with a lot of these LED suppliers?
No, so good question. We are really just proprietary with our own in-house LED. Certainly somebody could probably fabricate a connection to go to the frames, but for like out of the box, just the Aluvision frames and tiles work very well together.
But so you work with a specific supplier of the LED technology that makes it.
Correct. Yeah. We have an OEM provider that provides makes the tiles white label for us.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.